What do you need to do before we get there to organize your home? Such a great question. And for our clients, we do send a detailed email with some things that you can do in advance if you want to and if you have time. But you've hired a luxury, professional organizing company to take care of it all for you. So you don't have to do anything if you don't want to. And celebrating is something I suggest you do. Just give yourself a hug, a pat on the back, a glass of wine, a cup of tea, a walk around the block, more time with your kids, whatever you need to do to thank yourself for hiring a team to organize your home for you. That's a good thing to do, and you deserve that break mentally and physically. The other thing that you can do, if you want to, is observe. Observe your house. What's working well for you as far as organizing? What's not working well? What have you tried that didn't work? What do you want to try? What systems do you have in place that work really well? What systems do you have in place that are not a good fit for your family? Just observe. No judgment, no blame, shame, or guilt. Just observe so that you can inform us of those things and we can customize the system for you. And then, if you still want to do something else, go ahead and either identify or gather the things that you already know you want to get rid of, and we'll take it from there.